Right, welcome back to Shed Tune, and guess what? I'm getting on with the Vespa.
Woo woo!
I know, and Happy's over there, look, working on his scooter. And today...
I've got 4 litres in my tank.
Wow, you've not had your tank emptied lately then? No. Dick. So the plan is to get these electrics sorted, so all the switch gear on, locked down, and then possibly the fuel tank into there, but we'll see how we get on because I ain't got a lot of time. And then I think that's about it. Oh no, we got to do the rear hub and some other odds and sods and get it ready basically so it can go through an MOT. Look, that's called coffee.
Yeah, and look, Russ,
coffee.
I've bought you a coffee.
Well, that's very good.
Unlike anyone on our YouTube channel.
What, those are all those people that can't buy us a coffee?
Exactly.
Link in the description, buy us a coffee, a type beep.
Beep. Blacksmith.
Coffee. And as no one sent any Jaffa cakes in or donuts, we've had to go and get our own, look. Jaffa Joe nuts.
Well, you can be the first to eat Joe's nuts.
I'm not eating Joe's nuts, but in that good old-fashioned tradition, I will try and eat some of Joe's nuts. I'm just going to do the honours and we'll smash through some donuts, Joe nuts, whatever they call themselves.
Jaffa Joe nuts.
Jaffa Joe nuts.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
We got school bags.
That's not what I was expecting.
We can go back to...
Is it just one?
Oh, it is. Oh, that could be a...
Well...
Oh, look at that.
That won't fit all in your gob.
Oh, that piece of piss, mate.
That's a bit dry. You should have put some Vaseline on it. Go on then.
Not bad.
So you gets the Dom seal of approval on the Joe nuts as you choke to death.
Joe's nuts are a bit dry.
Right, and on that note,
The jam to sponge ratio is not too good.
right, just saying to Dom that he's got a really big gob and that he'd have been a real hit on the gay porn circuit.
Russell, not being one to feel left out,
I know, I'm going to have a go at it now.
is going to pretend that he can't fit it in that massive gob.
That won't fit all in my gob.
Are you lightweight? What an absolute lightweight.
No more space cakes for you.
No. I'm just not greedy. It is really dry.
What do you reckon? Lightweight? Definitely.
I'm a lightweight. I've got half of it in.
Said the bishop to the actress.
Right, back at it. Now there's been the Jaffa cake debacle. Whatever. So that headset's got to come off, and then that switch, that's the one that we had a little error on last time, so that switch has got to go on that side, that switch has got to go on that side. Right, I don't expect you lot will be that enthralled with me messing about with this, but if you've never done this before, then
Don't follow in.
yeah, this headset's got to come off to get all the cables out and what have you. It's a bit of a pain, to say the least. Woo. Especially when you drop stuff and you can't then find it again. You know. So. there. So this is a bit of a fiddle because you've got to sort of jiggle the end wires around to try and get them out of the various places. I'll show you what I mean. So what you're trying to do is get these connectors out through that little hole, which means moving the cables around.
But one time I wrestled a giraffe to the ground with my bare hands.
So rather than bore you to death, we'll come back in a minute when they're both done. Okay, there you go. So got the wire through there, and now that's all out, and we just got to fit the new one, which no doubt is going to be a pain in the ass. That's that one in. Look, there you go, and all the wires going down there, through there, into the block. Next one to do is t'other one, indicators. So we're getting somewhere now. So the switches are all in, the wiring's done. Got to just sort a few bits and pieces out down here, like that. Coming around the front, we've got the ignition switch, that's all back in. We've got something that's to do with the electric start, which we're not using. That yellow wire, I have to work out what that is. There's another yellow wire, not really sure what they are yet. And I think that's to do front brake light switch, I think. Anyway, we'll figure it out in a bit.
You stupid bull.
I don't know what that was all about. Look, we're getting somewhere now. All the wires that need to be up here. Switches are all on. Da, 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 da.
And it's still a shitty Vespa.
Don't listen to him. Look, and we've got a proper ignition as well. Oh, hang on. Where are these wires?
Hey?
Where's the wires for the indicators then? Hang on. Let's move on to here and work out where this backlight's going to go. I'm assuming this bit goes on first. That way? Do you think? Yeah. Then that, then that. Okay. Let's put the backlight on.
Yeah, I like to add a little bit of excitement to the video.
Oh, he's not funny, is he? Look at that beauty. Still got to find a couple of screws, but that's it. Backlight is on. Change of plan. Now I've looked at all the bodges and bits of cut wire and what have you in here. Indicator. I need to work out, I think, what all of these are for. So plan B is change that rear hub. Right, so that's the exhaust off the other end, so that should be a bit wobblier. And then I don't know if I need a hub puller or something special for this, but I'll get the jack here to support it, take that tyre off hopefully, and then, or maybe try and take the whole lot of one go, maybe. Don't know, we'll have a look and then we'll fit the new one. Right, so split pin out, that weird nutty thing off, the jack on. Up here. So that's all over. Who designs a bloody exhaust like that? I can't get that off without taking the exhaust off, so that's going to be the next thing, is undoing the bolts in here, drop the exhaust down, and then obviously it'll be a piece of cake to do. Right, some butchers at this. It's not awkward to do at all, is it? Do you know what? I think I'll time lapse this. Jeez Louise. Oh, pain in the arse this is. Right, now we've got to try and get the bloody thing off. The wiggle method. Ah, yes. Whew. And now you can see why I wanted to change it. That's knackered, that's knackered. It's not in the best condition known to man, is it? Put it down there. Then we can put the new hub on. Well, I say new, second-hand new. Okay, we'll talk that up in a minute once we've got the wheel back on. Okay, hub's on, wheel's just going back on. We'll put the exhaust back on and then we'll see where we're at. Ta-da! Hub on, exhaust back on, everything tightened up nicely. Gosh, it's even beginning to look like a scooter now, isn't it? Rear light. It's all wired up properly now. We've got all this crap to sort out inside here, mind. So I think that's going to be it for today. We've done really well getting all out switches, the electrics done that end, the rear light. Well, me.
Because I haven't done anything.
Done some more work this side, as you know. We've had the exhaust off, the hub off, put a new hub on it and sorted all that out. Not that much more to do. A few bits and pieces up here. Got to get the speedo, the headlight and all that sort of stuff. Horn cover. Figure out these bloody indicators. I don't know where they're wiring. But I think that's going to be it for now. So, as always, it's goodbye from him.
And it's goodbye from him.
That's right. Don't forget, give it a like, a subscribe. Tell your mates how great we are, or don't. Donuts, Jaffa cakes, don't forget, we still want stuff. That's it, we're going. Say bye again, Dom.
Bye again, Dom. See you later. Cheers for watching.
Yeah, cheers for watching. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next episode.